Okay, earlier in the slides, we talked about one of the important concepts students need to know is to understand the number relationship in decimal. So they need to know what happens in the numbers when you multiply a number by 10, power of 10, 10, 100,000, or when you divide a number by using power of 10, 10, 20, 10, 100,000. And this sheet is very helpful to understand, show visually how number system works in decimal world. So I want you to print out this here. So I believe you're ready for this one. If you don't, please stop the video a second and print out or get this paper ready for you. So there are place value math in here, and then decimal place value math activity. So there are 5 different parts in here. So basically we are going to play around with this number 6 times 10, 60 times 10, 600 times 10, 6,000, 6,000 divided by 10, and then whole number. What's going to happen? How can you visualize number relationship on this mat? That's what we are going to do it. So I laminate the mat. I want to use it for multiple times. So the best tool you can use is this vis-a-vis pen. This vis-a-vis pen is the best way to erase. Whiteboard marker is okay, but not very clean to erase. I'm going to show you at the end. So let's do the first part in here. So I want to multiply 6 a couple times by using of 10. So I say let's do 10, 6. Okay. If I want to multiply 6 times 10, what is the number? It's going to be 60. And if I multiply one more time, it's going to be 600. So can anybody tell me any pattern you notice from here? What pattern do you see? If I multiply a number by 10, what happened? What happened to my number? My number moved to your left, right, by 1. So I have 6, multiply 10, move here. 60, multiply 10, move to your left 1 time, right? What about I want to divide, I want to do one more time. Multiply by 10, so I'm going to move my 6 into left, which is thousands place. And now I have 6,000. So now I want to do divide these numbers in here. I want to divide 6,000 by 10. What's going to happen? It's going to be divide by 10. It's going to be 600. If I do one more time, divide by 10, it's going to be 60. So what just happened? Can anybody tell me what happened in here? My number has moved to your right this time in one place value here. Right? So kids can actually see what's going to happen whenever you multiply or divide number by power of 10. Now let's do number 4, represent the following numbers on the mat. So I want to do 745 on this mat. I'm going to use brown here. So 700, so I have 200 place value and 4 tens and 5 ones. So now I want to divide this number by 10. Then should I move to left or right? Yes, you have to move to right because I divide a number by 10. So it's going to be 700 goes to 70, 4 tens goes to ones, and 5 goes to next place value, which is 5 tenths. So do you see what happened in here? What about 7? One more time, I want to divide 74.5, 74 and 5 tenths. One more time, it's going to be to your right, 7 and 45 hundredths. Do you see what I'm doing in here? Do you see the pattern in here? Let's do the last part. 2.2 and 43 hundredths. So I'm going to multiply this number by 10. So my 2 is going to move to your left 10 here. So 2 tens. And 4 is going to 4. 4 tenths is going to 4 ones. 3 hundredths going to 3 tenths. So I'm going to stop in here. Let's look at the pattern in here. So when I use working on the decimal number here, did I move decimals or did I move numbers? What do you notice? I moved numbers, not the decimals. Decimal doesn't move. Decimal stays in here. We move numbers to left or right depending on what do you multiply depending on multiplying or dividing a number of power of 10. So this is very important concept. Kids understand number relationship, and they need to understand we don't move decimals. Do not move decimals. Decimals don't have legs, right? You don't move decimals. Instead, we are moving around the numbers. How? By using power of 10. And I'm going to show you how you erase this one in here using wet paper. Anything wet paper. Tissue, it works very nicely to erase this board. So you can use multiple times for your class. Okay, let's stop in here, move to next one.